Hello there, in this video I will show you how to create this awesome testimonial in Framer. Let's get started. First open up your Framer project in which you want to add testimonial. Then click on this layout icon and create a frame outside your canvas. Then rename this frame as testimonials. Then click on this layout icon and then again select frame and create a new frame inside this testimonial frame. Then select this testimonial frame and then add a layout. Set the direction to horizontal and add a gap of 20 pixels. Then select this newly created frame. Then change the width to 420 pixels and height to 430 pixels. Then scroll down, remove the fill, then click on add and add a white background. Then click on shadows, then click on color and change the color to black and increase the opacity to around 65. Then go back, increase the blur and let's change the opacity to around 27%. Then close this and add a border radius of 20 pixels. Then rename this layer as card. Then add a layout, set the direction as vertical. Then copy a quote icon from the Google or any website. I will use this one. Then I will go back to the framer and paste it in my frame. Then right click on this image and click on add frame. Then turn on layout option and change the distribute to start. Also set the alignment to left. Then change the width to fill. Now select this image or icon and then decrease the size of it. I will keep it as 62 pixel. Then select the card layer and increase the padding so that this quote icon gets in the middle or this line. Once it's properly aligned, again click on layout and click on frame. Then draw a new frame in this card layer. Make sure it is outside the stack and inside this card layer and drag it below the stack layer. Then select this stack layer and change the height to fit content. Now select this newly created frame, then set the width to fill and height to fit content. Now remove the fill of this frame and also add a layout in this layer. Then click on text and add a text in this layer. After that, customize this text according to your style and liking. I will change the font to Stossy and I will increase the size of it. Now again click on layout and select frame and add a new frame. And drag this newly created frame below this stack. Make sure it is at the bottom. Then change the width to fill. Rename this frame layer as person. After that, add a person's image in this layer and then select this person layer and add a layout. Change the direction to vertical and set the height of this layer as fit content. Then scroll down and remove the fill of it. Then you can add the person's name and role. Then you can customize the person's name. You can give it a weight of medium and increase the size of little bit. And then you can give this role text a light gray color so that it's differentiate from the user, differentiate from the name. Then you can simply select this card layer and then increase or decrease this gap so that it's aligned perfectly within this card. And now our one card is created. Now what you can do is just simply select the card from the layer and then right click on it and click on create component and then name it testimonial card. Then here you can add the more variations on the hover or pressed, but I will leave it as default. Then go back. Now you just have to duplicate these layers. So for example, I want to add 4 testimonials. So what I will do is just simply select this layer and press Ctrl plus D on my keyboard 4 times, and then this will create the 4 copies of this card. Then increase the desktop frame layer so that it fits this content fully. Once you have created this frame, the second step is to go to your desktop layer or this desktop canvas and then click on plus icon, and in the search bar search carousel, then drag and drop this carousel element on your canvas. Then click on these 3 dots on the right side and then connect it to the frame that we have created, to the testimonial frame. Then change the width of this carousel element to the fit content, and also change the height to the fit content, or you can also give it a fixed width. I will give it a width of 500, and then you can preview your website and you can see that the content is going outside. So to fix this, go back and select the carousel element, and then you just have to set the width as fill. Then you can try to preview your website and you will see that this carousel is now working properly. And that is how you can add testimonial in Framer. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.